Have you ever wondered why some snake plants stay small for years while others grow tall, full, and produce baby plants everywhere? The secret isn't expensive fertilizers or complicated care routines. Snake plants are naturally slow growers, but by giving them the right combination of light, watering, soil, nutrients, and environment, you can dramatically speed up their growth. In this video, you'll discover 10 proven secrets that experienced indoor gardeners use to grow healthier, stronger, and faster snake plants. Whether you're a beginner or a long-time plant lover, these easy tips can transform your plant into a lush centerpiece. Stay until the end, because the final tip is one of the biggest mistakes people make without realizing it. Let's unlock the secrets to growing snake plants up to 5 times faster. 1. Give your snake plant bright, indirect light. Although snake plants tolerate low light, they grow much faster when placed in bright, indirect sunlight. Think of low light as survival mode and bright light as growth mode. A location near an east-facing or south-facing window with filtered sunlight provides ideal conditions. Morning sun is especially beneficial because it encourages photosynthesis without burning the leaves. If your home doesn't receive enough natural light, consider using a full-spectrum LED grow light for 10 to 12 hours each day. Rotate your pot every week so all sides receive equal light, helping the plant grow upright instead of leaning toward the window. Better lighting increases energy production, resulting in stronger roots, taller leaves, and more new shoots. This single change alone often produces the biggest improvement in growth. 2. Use fast-draining soil. Healthy roots are the foundation of fast growth. Snake plants dislike heavy soil that traps moisture because soggy roots quickly develop rot. Instead, use a well-draining cactus or succulent potting mix. You can improve drainage by mixing regular potting soil with coarse sand, perlite, pumice, or orchid bark. These materials create air pockets that allow oxygen to reach the roots, while excess water drains away quickly. Healthy roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, giving your snake plant the energy it needs to produce larger leaves and new pups. When repotting, gently loosen compacted roots and remove any dead or mushy sections. A fresh soil mix also provides new nutrients that encourage stronger development. Remember, great soil doesn't just keep your plant alive. It creates the ideal environment for rapid growth. 3. Water only when the soil is completely dry. One of the biggest mistakes people make is watering too often. Snake plants store water in their thick leaves and prefer dry conditions. Before watering, insert your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait a few more days. During warmer months, watering every 2 to 3 weeks is usually enough, while winter often requires watering only once a month. When you do water, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the bottom. Then, allow it to dry completely before watering again. This wet and dry cycle stimulates healthy root development and prevents root rot. Overwatered plants spend their energy recovering instead of growing. Proper watering keeps roots healthy, leaves firm, and growth steady throughout the year. 4. Feed with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Even hardy snake plants need nutrients to grow quickly. During spring and summer, feed your plant once every 4 to 6 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Fertilizers with equal amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium support healthy leaves, strong roots, and overall growth. Avoid fertilizing in winter because the plant naturally slows down and doesn't use many nutrients. Too much fertilizer can burn roots and cause leaf damage, so less is often more. Organic options like compost tea or worm castings also provide slow-release nutrients that improve soil health over time. With regular feeding during active growth, you'll notice taller leaves, richer green color, and more frequent baby plants emerging from the soil. 5. Keep temperatures warm. Snake plants grow fastest when temperatures stay between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius minus 29 degrees Celsius. Warm conditions help roots absorb water and nutrients more efficiently while encouraging new leaf production. Avoid placing your plant near air conditioners, cold windows, or drafty doors where sudden temperature changes can slow growth. Likewise, protect it from freezing temperatures, as cold damage can permanently harm the leaves. If your home is cool during winter, move the plant to a warmer room with plenty of light. Consistent warmth allows the plant to stay active for longer periods throughout the year. Combined with proper lighting and watering, maintaining the right temperature creates the perfect environment for vigorous growth. 6. Choose the right pot size. Snake plants actually prefer slightly snug pots, but an extremely root-bound plant eventually slows down. When roots begin circling tightly or growing out of drainage holes, it's time to repot. Choose a container only 1 to 2 inches larger than the current pot. Oversized pots hold too much moisture, increasing the risk of root rot. Terracotta pots are an excellent choice because they allow excess moisture to evaporate, keeping roots healthy. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent standing water. Repotting every 2 to 3 years refreshes the soil and gives roots enough room to continue expanding. The result is healthier foliage and more frequent production of new pups. 7. Clean the leaves regularly. Dust may seem harmless, but it blocks sunlight from reaching the leaf surface. Since leaves perform photosynthesis, keeping them clean helps the plant produce more energy. Every few weeks, gently wipe each leaf with a soft, damp microfiber cloth. Avoid using leaf shine products because they can clog the tiny pores that allow gas exchange. Clean leaves also make it easier to spot pests or diseases before they become serious problems. Besides improving growth, polished natural leaves look brighter, healthier, and more attractive in your home. This simple 5-minute maintenance habit can noticeably improve your plant's overall performance. 8. Divide crowded plants. As snake plants mature, they produce many underground rhizomes that develop into new plants. Eventually, these crowded roots compete for space, water, and nutrients. Dividing mature plants every few years encourages stronger growth and gives each section room to expand. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and separate healthy rhizomes using a clean, sharp knife. Ensure each division has roots attached before replanting in fresh, succulent soil. After dividing, water lightly and place the plants in bright, indirect light while they establish themselves. Within a few months, each division often begins producing vigorous new leaves. Division not only rejuvenates older plants, but also gives you free snake plants to decorate your home or share with friends. 9. Prevent pests before they become a problem. Healthy plants grow faster because they aren't wasting energy fighting pests. Watch for common problems such as mealybugs, spider mites, and scale insects hiding near the leaf bases. Inspect your plant every couple of weeks, especially if you bring home new houseplants. If you notice pests, wipe the leaves with rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab or use insecticidal soap or neem oil according to the labeled directions. Keep the leaves clean and avoid overwatering, as stressed plants are more attractive to pests. Early detection prevents infestations from spreading and keeps your snake plant focused on producing new growth instead of recovering from damage. 10. Be patient and let nature work. Even with perfect care, snake plants won't grow overnight. Fast growth is the result of consistently providing the right conditions over many months. Resist the urge to constantly move the plant, overwater it, or over-fertilize it in hopes of speeding things up. Plants thrive on stability. Once you've optimized light, soil, watering, feeding, and temperature, simply continue your routine and observe the progress. Over time, you'll notice taller leaves, stronger roots, and plenty of healthy pups emerging from the soil. Consistency always beats quick fixes. Give your snake plant what it needs, and it will reward you with beautiful growth for many years. Now you know the 10 best ways to help your snake plant grow faster, healthier, and fuller than ever before. Remember, bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, careful watering, balanced fertilizer, warm temperatures, and consistent care make the biggest difference. Which tip are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your snake plant journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest plant care tips. We share new videos every week to help you create a greener, healthier home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.